Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome to my shower. So, what I want to do today, I just want to share with you, which I promised last week, how am I using my my foaming face wash, which I'm using with this little nice silicone cleanser for my face. And so yeah, I'm just gonna show you a quick video how I'm using both of these together and how I love how it works for my skin. So don't mind me if I will be looking not here but here, you know, because I will be just showing you how I'm doing this. So let's go and do this. Okay, I'm just gonna put my hair together. Okay, I hope you can see me well. I hope you can hear me well. So I'm just gonna do a short video. So I'm just gonna wet my face, my neck. Okay. And this is the foam which I did last week. You can find a video how I did it just up there. And this is the little silicone cleanser, face cleanser. And this has a little button here, so you're pressing in and it starts vibrating. So it's a silicone, it's waterproof. I really like to use it. I'm using minimum 2 times a day, in the morning and in the evening for sure. Sometimes I do use this cleaning my face during the day. If it's too hot outside, or if I see that my skin gets oily, you know, so just to kind of balance it, my skin, as I do have oily skin. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting a little bit of my foamer here, and I'm starting here between my eyebrows from my forehead. I'm pressing on and I'm just moving in a little circular motions, okay? You can press as much as you want. See, I'm pressing and give a little pressure so my skin gets red. That's fine, like. And I'm really trying to get at the forehead here, because sometimes I do have in here spots, you know, and it's problem area for me. And I'm going on to the side, circular motions. And I keep adding for a little bit. I really like it. At the same time, it does do a little massage, which is so cool, and it really cleans the skin. I really love it how it does feel my skin afterwards. Okay, then every time I'm just keep pressing for a little bit. Then I'm moving on to my nose area, going on to the side. Over to my upper lip. Onto my side of the lips and onto my chin. So in here as well I do have spots from time to time, because as I said, my skin is oily. So what this actually does, it removes the dead skin cells, you know, and it increases the circulation in your face, it massages, so it's like it gives a little kind of booster, you know, and it's really cool. So when I'm finished with my chin, I'm just putting a little bit on my lips as well. Then I'm moving on to my side from the chin, up and pressing. Up and pressing. Yeah, pressing up and going down without pressure. So always just pressing up there, yeah? And then a little bit here on my cheeks. And here I'm pressing and cleaning a little bit here on my cheeks. Yeah, it's really good massaging, really cool. Now I'm just gonna go move on to kind of my neck area, cleaning it here. And now, of course, we're not forgetting the neck. So from here and pressing down, pressing down, pressing down, pressing down, pressing down. Yeah, and that's it. And that's it. And I'm just gonna give a little bit more. the same time I'm just doing sometimes these faces, you know, just to kind of exercise my muscles, my face muscles as well, you know, the way you do exercises for your body. And I do sometimes, from time to time, these face yoga exercises, which maybe I will do another video on it. So, and yeah, it's really cool. It cleans the skin, it massages the skin, it improves the circulation, and it removes the dead skin from your face. So yeah, and now I'm just gonna wash it with like medium warm water. And just gonna clean up with a clean towel. That's it. And that's it. And what it looks like. Some places where it's like problem areas, as you see, just around here, maybe around here, there is one spot already. So it does get red, you know. So it's fine because the cleansing process was happening. So it's fine, and I do like the way it, now I can feel straight away my skin got tighter. So it tightens the pore, and it's really kind of, how to say it, really kind of nice feeling on it, nice, clean and fresh feeling. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. These you can get literally anywhere on the internet. Prices vary from probably €5 till 150 euros. It depends of the brand, you know. Like literally just Google it, like, you know, silicone facial cleanser or electronic facial cleanser or something like this. It's really good tool, and it does clean your skin very well, especially when you have a problem skin type, like oily or combination skin. So this is thing for you, and give it a try and let me know what you think. Bye.